What's going on, guys? Just a quick video. If you ever wanted to know what this hole is in your shoe right here, this small hole right here, this is basically what you can use to create what's called a heel lock, a lace lock, or a racer's loop. If you get blisters around your heels, all you got to do is utilize this hole here, put the shoelace in, create two little loops like this, and then you crisscross. Now, this is a really great way to prevent those blisters around your heels if you have softer heels. I know I have a problem with that from taking too many baths, especially on a through hike. I like to use baths as a way to relax, but here you have it. You crisscross it, and then you would just tie your shoe like you would a regular shoelace tie, and then there you go. Now you can feel it right away. Your heel will be locked in place a little more, and there you have it.